Antedate. Exploring the concept of assigning earlier dates. Imagine being able to predate something. Not just predict, but actually assign an earlier date to an event or document. This fascinating concept is encapsulated in our word of focus today, antedate. Word type. Antedate functions as both a verb and a noun. As a verb, it's pronounced antedate. As a noun, it's pronounced antedate or antedit. Meaning, as a verb, antedate means to assign an earlier date to something than the actual date. It can also mean to precede in time or to be of an earlier date than something else. As a noun, it refers to a date assigned to a document or event that is earlier than the actual date. Word history. The word antedate comes from the Latin ante, meaning before, and datum, meaning given. It entered the English language in the early 17th century, reflecting the need for a term to describe backdating or preceding events. Antonyms. The primary antonym for antedate is postdate, which means to assign a later date to something or to occur after a specified time. Other related antonyms include succeed and follow. Synonyms. Some synonyms for antedate include precede, predate, forego, and anticipate. When used in the context of documents, backdate is a close synonym. Examples used in sentences. Let's explore how to use antedate in various contexts. The discovery of this ancient tool antedates previous findings by several thousand years. The publisher decided to antedate the magazine's release to coincide with a major industry event. The contract's antedate raised suspicions about its authenticity. Her contributions to the field antedate those of her more famous colleagues. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing antedate with anticipate. While both involve the concept of before, anticipate means to expect or predict, whereas antedate specifically relates to dates and timing. Another error is using antedate when postdate is meant. Always remember that antedate refers to earlier dates or preceding events. To truly master this word for your IELTS exam, try incorporating it into your writing and speaking practice. Consider discussing historical events, document management, or scientific discoveries where the concept of antedating might be relevant. By understanding and correctly using words like antedate, you'll demonstrate the sophisticated vocabulary necessary for achieving that band score of 8.0